Hi guys, welcome to Final Cut Bits. I'm Colin Derbyshire. I'm the one doing the tutorials on this channel, and I just want you to know why you should listen to me to teaching you some Final Cut Pro tips. I've currently got a channel which is called Football Strike Gamer here on YouTube, and today it has 1,400 subscribers. I started it in 2018, but I've been working on producing videos in a regular fashion since last June, like over 10 videos per month. At the moment I'm producing videos like 15 or more per month, so I'm really using Final Cut Pro pretty much every day, and I'm learning a lot of skills. There's a lot to learn in Final Cut Pro, and I just want to make some simple kind of tutorials so hopefully you can improve your skills and teach the things that I found tricky to learn at the beginning, and hopefully you can learn them as well. So go check out the videos, and I hope you feel reassured who you're learning from, and go check out my main channel and see the videos, the results in action of my video skills. So I'm by no means an expert. I don't think I'll always be kind of a student, and I'm sure you are too, but I believe I may be a little bit further than you ahead. So I want to share some of these, my knowledge and my tips, and hopefully explain in a fashion that's kind of not too fast paced, and you can understand, see the shortcuts, the keystrokes, and if you've got things that you want to, if you're unsure about, just please leave a comment and or let us know what you want to learn. I will definitely look into it, and you know, you never know, it might like help me learn something as well when I investigate. And so thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the videos and tutorials. Have fun.